Hey guys, today I am opening my Christmas present. What should I open first? Can I pick a random one? Okay. This one is from Mommy and Daddy Pot. Okay. I wonder what this thing is. Wow. A painting. Yes. Paint. Interesting. Now, this. I wonder what this is. Probably a card. This looks like cards. It's one-piece cards. Oh, it's two one-piece cards. Should I open it and see what I get? Okay. It's Japanese version. And this one. This another one piece card. One piece cards again. And this one. And it's from Tita Cha. 50 dirham. Oh, and wait, there's more. And 150 dirham, or maybe there's more. No, that's it. 150 dirham. Yay. Thank you. Next is this thing, box. Who gave me this? Huh? Okay. What's this? Oh, Monkey D. Luffy. Oh, this is a Funko Pop. Oh, it's from Egghead Island. And this is mine, right? Clothes like that. Hoodie. Okay, and Spider-Man. And the back. My name. This one. Pants from who to? Okay. Code. Thank you. Here's that. Can I open this one later? It's from Tito Arwin and Tito Ram. It's dinosaur. This is from Jasper. Pants. And this. So, Zach Mary from Rajan, okay. Now it's this one, this like Jasper's helicopter. Helicopter, and clothes. This one's wait, yeah. They spelled my name wrong though. It's a brand new hat, Adidas hat. Thank you. And this one, this is the price. Oh, it seems like before I already opened it, so I already know what this is, I think. Yes, it is already. This one, it's a gun. It's like another, like James Frills. Air pump gun, air popper. Air popper. Isn't this from like Baby Vibes? Okay. Quite heavy and first it's feet. No, for this one. Helmet. It's a helmet. Okay. There's the here. Oh, this very big one is from me and mommy and daddy pot. Oh, the All-Star. I have this app in my phone. I know how to play this. This one. Thank you, Tita Halan. Fortnite bag. Mommy, can I wear this to school in the first next gift from Tita Jaja. It's a Beyblade. Daddy. Thank you, it's Beyblade. Okay. Look, wait. It's motorcycle. I feel like I already had this one before. It's a motorcycle. And Lego car. Why is this one? Funko from Funko Pops. Oh, it's a Monkey D. Luffy hat. Thank you, thank you. Kanina po ito. Okay, thank you, mommy. And the depot. Can I open it? Okay. This was also a gift. Okay. Is this a raffle prize or no? Okay. Thank you, mommy. Oh, it's a. Wait, are these wanted posters? Wanted. Monkey D. Luffy? This one, Thank you. This is the one. This is a wanted poster. Wow. Show them how much gift I got. Thank you to everyone that gave me this. These are all the gifts that I got from unboxing all my presents on Christmas Day. Thank you to everyone that gave me this and bless them. Goodbye. See you. Have a great Christmas. Bye. 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 Hope you have a great Christmas. What? Beyblade? Helicopter. Bye.